Creating strings in Python is straightforward. Use single, double, or triple quotes to define them. Once created, strings are immutable, meaning any modification results in a new string object. Indexing allows access to individual characters, starting at 0. This foundational understanding is crucial for effective text processing and manipulation in Python. Python strings are sequences of characters, including letters, numbers, symbols, or spaces, essential for text processing. They are created using single, double, or triple quotes and are immutable, meaning any modification results in a new string object. This flexibility makes them a powerful tool for text manipulation. Creating strings in Python involves using single or double quotes for standard text, like hello or hello. For multi-line strings, triple quotes preserve formatting and line breaks, ideal for documentation. The str function converts numbers or booleans into strings, such as *42 becoming 42. String creation in Python is versatile. Use single quotes for names, like Alice, or double quotes for greetings, such as hello world. For multi-line text, triple quotes preserve formatting. Line 1 line, 2 line 3. Convert numbers to strings with star, e.g., *123 becomes 123. Python strings use zero-based indexing, starting from 0 for the first character. Negative indexing allows counting backwards, with -1 as the last character. Access characters using square brackets, string index. In the string Python, positive indices start at 0 with p and end at 5 with n. Negative indices begin at -1 with n and go to -6 with p. This dual indexing system allows flexible character access, enhancing string manipulation capabilities. In string indexing, forward access begins at index 0, moving sequentially through each character. Conversely, reverse access starts at index -1, moving backwards. This dual approach allows flexible string manipulation, enhancing coding efficiency and precision. In Python, indexing allows access to specific characters in a string. For example, Python 0 retrieves p, while Python 1 accesses n. Be cautious with out-of-range indices, as Python 10 triggers an index error. Regular practice enhances proficiency in string manipulation.